Decentralized apps, or dApps, truly catapulted the world of crypto into the next generation. The simple integration of smart contracts helped investors and teams around the planet open the floodgates to a world of innovative and ingenious applications. We currently exist in a crypto landscape that is filled to the brim with exciting new and legacy financial implementations. However, the DeFi Summer 2.0 and NFT Summer quickly evolved into crypto gaming summer. Crypto games like Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and Sandbox are showing growth that resembles DeFi growth a year ago. Could blockchain gaming be crypto's next big trend? Well, great to see you here at CryptoPuffy. Today we are going to taking a very close look at what many considers to be the most emergent sector across the decentralized landscape. Blockchain gaming is still very much in its early days, but with some very exciting prospects ahead. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video and pay very close attention. You don't want to miss out. The gaming industry has existed for many years, from a very small and tight-knit audience to some of the largest media franchises on the planet, a multi-billion-dollar industry. Crypto is considerably newer but has grown at an unprecedented level. Furthermore, the conceptual basis of the technology behind crypto has far more application than just as currency. It is hard to ignore the fact that many crypto enthusiasts and otherwise are slowly looking to further integrate video games and blockchain technology. However, the primary application of the blockchain to video game system is very much in its early days. Blockchain gaming has been toyed about as a concept for the past few years, but has most recently piggybacked off the success and widespread usage of NFTs and found new life. NFT Gamification, as it's commonly known, is the simple combinations of NFTs and the rudimentary game system. This has given players the ability to earn in-game assets with real-world value. Although initially beginning as another AltCoin project use case, it is clear to see that these applications of NFTs into gaming is truly invaluable. Far before crypto saw these levels of widespread appeal, there were countless cases of gamers spending thousands upon thousands of dollars within in-game economies. There did exist many issues and questions in regard to the lack of transparency that game companies have between developers and players and ownership in regard to these in-game assets. It is clear to see that usage of a blockchain and the integration of NFTs was a very natural application of the technology to this very obvious issue within the gaming industry. The fact that the blockchain is able to provide a decentralized and transparent ledger that no single entity can control or manipulate, as well as the ability to create 100% original and probably authentic in-game items, is truly invaluable. Spending $50 on an exclusive in-game item just for the video game developer to turn around and continue creating that item will ultimately devalue your asset and draws shocking similarities to traditional financial systems and the glaring issues with the Federal Reserve. This application of unique, collectible, and verifiable non-fungible tokens to the video game sector is truly fantastic and the most obvious usage of blockchain technology in the gaming sector. Starting off with the highly successful 2017 release of one of the earliest blockchain-based games called CryptoKitties. The aim of this game is to breed, purchase, and sell virtual cats. Based on the Ethereum blockchain, the insane level of popularity and traffic seen on CryptoKitties actually slowed down the entire network. An in-game kitten was actually sold for more than $170,000. The idea behind CryptoKitties is that different kitties maintain different traits. Rarer traits and combinations will be worth more. Of course, their rarity and authenticity are completely verifiable. Gamers had the option to either sell their kitties or attempt to breed them in the hopes of passing down the kitties' good genes. There currently exists a plethora of these NFT-based blockchain games comparable to traditional video games such as Pokemon, rewarding users with unique and authentic NFTs that can be trading on an exchange and hold some level of real-world value. A serious glaring issue that has led many crypto analysts to claim that the mass popularization of these crypto collectible games is holding the entire subsector back. However, any crypto investor with a decent understanding of the technology behind the blockchain can truly understand the potential of the technology within the gaming sector. A potential far beyond collecting NFTs and image of cats to be transferred across exchange. Now, the blockchain is a collection of blocks, to put it simple. A nice, secure chain of data that is completely verified from one to another. The entire chain is verified and authenticated by every other member of the chain, as opposed to a singular central body. As you can imagine, this can easily extend far beyond the simple transactions of assets within a game. Gambling is another obvious obvious application of blockchain technology, made clear through many online blockchain casinos that can be found. The sheer level of transparency and verifiability of blockchain technology makes it extremely appealing for online gambling sites with a number of crypto casinos currently in operation. It is easy for players and organizations to verify and trace the amount of money placed per bet, overall outcome and transfer of funds, removing another level of trust needed for traditional centralized casinos through provably fair games. The biggest crypto collectible titles involve CryptoKitties and blockchain cuties, trading card games such as Spell of Genesis and Gods Unchained, even RPG titles such as Lost Relics and Lightbringer. However, the biggest ripples out of the latest crypto gaming news come from the world-building games such as Decentraland and The Sandbox. These world-building games are more so decentralized virtual 3D platforms that allow players to play, create, and govern their own virtual world, with Decentraland recently selling a portion of digital real estate for close to a whopping $1 million. This purchase was made by a virtual real estate firm with huge plans for the newly acquired property. Blockchain gaming is seeing some mainstream approval and experimentation. As of 2018, Ubisoft made some very interesting public announcements and reveals. Ubisoft is one of the largest video game companies on the planet, responsible for multi-million-dollar franchises such as Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, and this is just to name a few. Ubisoft revealed Hashcraft, a game that drew heavy inspiration from widely successful and world-renowned games such as Minecraft and No Man's Sky. Hashcraft allowed players to parachute down and develop their very own island, creating challenges and tasks for other players to experience. Opening your island to the public and allowing the other players to experience it, Hashcraft was fully featured on the blockchain, completely decentralized. Hashcraft was a game that was essentially owned by the players and not the company. Although very much an experiment, the fact that the company as large as influential as Ubisoft was looking into crypto gaming sector shows that the gaming titans are considering the innovative usage of crypto from a gamer's perspective, as opposed to the financial and investment opportunities that countless blockchain games currently offer players. Some of the more high-concept ideas behind combining the video games industry and blockchain gaming involve the usage of the shared ledger as a recording of events rather than a store of value. Imagine if you were to have an in-game asset such as a sword that would gain more damage and increase in length and strength due to the sort of incredible events it was involved in. How brilliant and well received would that be? A basic item that grew more and more powerful over time, passing hands through many different players until it became one of the most powerful weapons in the entire game. Verify its authenticity by checking the blockchain and seeing the entire list of players that wield it and the complete list of epic deeds they use it for. This is merely grazing the surface on what blockchain technology could do to truly revolutionize the gaming industry. More so than simple monetization, blockchain gaming and the blockchain itself is set to revolutionize the planet and countless other industries. More than just a currency, we have now created a fully decentralized method of sharing verifiable, authentic, and probably original data. Impossible to hack with no chance of being destroyed. Everything from the medical to the legal field could stand to gain from the application of blockchain protocols, and that is a truly exciting prospect. Great of you to tune into our newest feature on Crypto Puffy channel. Let us know what you think about blockchain gaming in the comments below. Be sure to share this along with other forward-thinking crypto investors, and please remember to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.